In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Discord on Windows. If you're sharing a computer, switching accounts, or just want to sign out for privacy, logging out of Discord only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can do it quickly and confidently. To get started, open Discord on your Windows computer and go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main screen of the app where you can see your servers, direct messages, and general navigation. Make sure the app is fully open before moving on, because the log out option is found inside the settings area of your account. Once you're on the Discord dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there. This gear icon opens user settings, which is where Discord keeps account-related options, app preferences, and sign-out controls. Click on that gear icon to continue. After user settings opens, you'll see a menu running down the left-hand side of the window. This column includes different sections for your account, appearance, notifications, privacy, and other settings. What you need to do here is scroll down through that left-hand column until you find the logout option. When you see logout, click on it. Discord may ask you to confirm that you want to sign out. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm. After that, you'll be logged out of your Discord account on that Windows device. That's all there is to it. If your goal is to protect your account, especially on a shared or public computer, logging out when you're finished is always a smart habit. It helps prevent other people from accessing your messages, servers, and account settings. One helpful tip is to make sure you're not just closing the Discord window with the X in the top corner, because in many cases that only minimizes the app or keeps it running in the background. If you specifically want to end your session, using the logout option in settings is the correct method. And that's how to log out of Discord on Windows. Follow those same steps anytime you need to sign out, whether you're troubleshooting, changing accounts, or simply securing your profile after use. After